Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is one of those simple but productive days and I decided to take you along with me. I started my morning driving from Drogheda to Dublin for a quick food run. Honestly, I just needed to restock a few things, but you know how these trips can turn into a full day activity. My first stop was Toby Food's Warehouse in Finglas. I like going there because you can usually find good deals, especially on African food items. I grabbed a tin of Cerelac, picked up some fresh mackerel fish, and a bottle of granules.
Bye. I bought fish, I bought milk, Cerelac, and I bought groundnut. I put it in the trunk, but I hold the groundnut.
After that, I headed over to Lidl to get a few extra things. Nothing too serious, just some pastries, chocolates, cookies, and brioche bread.
I want to get juice for the return.
Once I was done shopping, I made my way back home, unpacked everything, and got ready to start cooking. I decided to make a simple fish stew that we will eat throughout the week. Something easy but still very tasty. I started by cutting the mackerel fish into smaller pieces and giving it a good clean. Then I added my spices, nothing too complicated, just enough to bring out the flavor, and let it boil for a bit. After that, I transferred the fish to the oven to roast. I really like doing this step because it gives the fish a richer taste and slightly crispy texture. Now for my stew, I'll be using these store-bought pasta sauces. It's a little shortcut I like to use. It saves time and still tastes really good. While that is going, I use the fish stock from earlier as my base to start building the stew. I let it boil for a bit, then added my pasta sauces. I mixed it well and then allowed it to boil. Added a hot habanero pepper I roasted earlier. This is also a game changer because it helps intensify the flavor of the stew. Next, I added some frozen spinach just to bring in a bit of color and extra nutrients. Once everything was coming together, I added the roasted fish back into the sauce pot and let it simmer for a few more minutes so all the flavors could blend properly. And honestly, at this point, the kitchen was already smelling amazing. When it was ready, I turned off the cooker and let it cool slightly before moving on to the next step. To make my life easier for the week, I portioned it into smaller containers. This way, I don't have to worry about cooking every single day. I just stored everything in the freezer and that was it. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video.